Hi everybody, I'm here in our facility in St. George, Utah, and I'm going to give you a closer look at the rear Molle panel assembly on our TetonX trailer. It was built with the intention to have a rooftop tent on it, which it's great for. I'll show you that and do some setup in a different video. But here today, I'm going to take that off. We're going to show you the other functionality that this assembly has for you. So the platform is 26 inches deep, 73.5 inches long. It'll hold 150 pounds. You can also put 50 pounds on each panel on the sides. So we're going to take the tent off and then remove this platform. You can use the platform for storage, like I said. Otherwise, you can pull that off, and then you can fold the panels actually inside against the wall and just use them as Molle panels against the back wall. So we'll show you all the functionality here just to get you an idea of all the different ways that you can use it.